ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we are going to learn another data structure, that is generic tree. So till now, whatever we studied is linear. See, we studied about array. Array is continuous, but having linear information. Fine, something like this. Then we studied about array list, which is a dynamic array, which do not have any fixed value, fixed size even. Then we studied about stack. Stack is also just like an array list, but there have some disciplines like insertion and deletion will take place in the LIFO manner. Then queue is also similar with array list, but insertion takes from the end and deletion from the front. Then we studied about the linked list. These all these are continuous and linear information. But what if I want to store something like this? Every time the information is not linear. Every time the information is not linear. Suppose that if I talk about our computer system, then suppose that we have a D drive, and in D drive I have folder personal and another folder is Pepcoding. In personal, I have, suppose that 3 folders. First one is songs, movies, and some documents. Not documents, or we can say okay, fine, it's documents. And in Pepcoding, suppose that I am having some folders like LRC, SET, and sales. So this is not a linear information. This is a hierarchical information. So in order to store this hierarchical information, we need another data structure which is named as tree. So tree are of many types. So in this video, we are discussing about generic tree. Fine. So what is generic tree? Okay. So when we are discussing generic tree, let me discuss some terminologies as well. What is node, children, root, ancestors, descendants, okay. So what is node and what is parent? Parent also. Parent. See, this is a node. All these are nodes. All these are nodes. Any node which do not have any children are known as leaf nodes. So all these are leaf nodes because they do not have any children. For this node, if this node is having any children, that means that in this case we have a personal node and their children are songs, movies, and dog. There are 3 children. So it means it is a parent node. Fine. Pepcoding is also a parent node. D is also a, but if you talk about a parent node, but it is an ancestor. Parent node, for this node, if I talk about, this is a parent node and these are its children's. Fine. What are ancestors and descendants? Ancestors, for this node, for this leaf node song, personal and D are ancestors. All the upper levels nodes are its ancestors. What are descendants? For D, all the lower level nodes are descendants. For D, all the lower level nodes are descendants. Okay, so we know about all these terminologies. Let's try to make our generic tree. Okay, so as we are having multiple data, so I have to create a class. private class, let's name it at node. For in this node, what we are having a data and an array list of type node. Let's name it as children. Children equals to new array list. So what is this node? See, all these are nodes. As I said, this is a data. D is a data, and personal and Pepcoding are their children's. For this node, personal is a data. Song, movies, and dog are children's. For this node, Pepcoding is a data. LRC, SET, sales are, these nodes are the children's. So every node are having some data and their children's. For this node, personal is the data. This node, this node, this node are their children's. So why I'm creating an array list of nodes? I have written there array list of node. Why? And I named it as children. Why I've written? We are creating an array list. Why an array list? Why not array? Because I don't know how many children's this person are going to have. Fine. Suppose that there is another children. Named it as videos. So I don't know how many children's this node is going to have. Therefore, I have to create an array list. Array list of node. Why node? Because in this array list, we are storing in another node which is having a data, and it might be possible that this node is also having some another children's. This node, this video node is also having another node. Suppose that another folder with images inside this, anything. So hope you like this video. Thank you.